The 1994 LT1 Corvette. Today you're in for a treat because I'm going to take you along for a road test. That's after the engine rebuild. We're going to see if it's smooth or if it's not smooth. We went to a single mass billet flywheel and an unsprung clutch, so that's going to be a little bit of noise.
All right, look, we want to use a sprung clutch. See, this protrudes. Look, this flywheel, being thinner, doesn't have enough space to allow this surface. It touches the bolts. Here is the old one from spec, and that is certainly enough space. So you can use a non-sprung, because this fits fine. This non-sprung one doesn't have that stuff that protrudes. This fits up here fine. No problem at all. So what to do? Run the non-sprung clutch or get the this flywheel that has been ground down and use that one. Who knows?
Okay, here we are. We've got the car idling and of course the transmission's in neutral. You can hear right now a little bit of gear noise. It's all coming from the transmission. That's what happens when you have a single mass flywheel and an unsprung clutch. That's what I have learned from the owner and from the Corvette forum. The ZF transmission is designed to have a dual mass flywheel with a sprung clutch. And that, I guess, dampens the gear noise. But what we're going to do, we as in the customer and I, we're going to stick with the single mass flywheel and let's call it a solid clutch, unsprung clutch, and just put up with that noise because it's definitely, well, it's better to have this set up for more horsepower, more torque engine.
That's a pretty mild sound on the gears in neutral. I don't think it's too bad. Hey gang, this is Carl Elwine. I'm going to take the Corvette for a little ride, although it's not totally finished. I have to wait for the proper PCM that I should have ordered from Paul at Torquehead, the Corvette specific PCM, but it'll drive fine, I'm quite sure. I just want to get a video to show how it is smooth now. The transmission, the rumble, it's all gone. And so I'm just going to go for a ride around the neighborhood in the C4 1994 Corvette. Yeah, you'll hear transmission through here because I have that boot open. Second gear and smooth. Third gear. everything is smooth about the engine and transmission right now.